Hi, and welcome to Phin. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to navigate phishing analytics in the Phin platform. So, first thing you're going to want to do is start by clicking on the left-hand nav menu on any company page, any tenant that you have, and select phishing. And then right underneath that, you'll go ahead and select analytics to view the phishing analytics page. And so from there, this is the kind of homepage for phishing analytics. You can select a date range to sort this information by. By default, it'll be year over year, 1 year to the next. But you can change that, just select your dates, and then it'll be reflected on those dates. You can see some graphs there. You can also see click data and analytics for specific users at the bottom. You can click that eye icon to see specific analytics for different users. So for this user, you can see all analytics for both phishing and training for this specific user only. So you can see information on have they clicked any of the phishing emails that were sent? When were they sent? Have they completed the learning moment? NA under click means the email has been delivered, but they did not click any of the links in the email. And then you can also do certain admin actions such as mark as a false positive as well. You can also click that eye icon to view the template that was sent for any of the templates that were sent. So this one is an Amazon template, so you can see kind of what that looked like there. And then you can also, if you scroll down, you can see training analytics for the user as well. So kind of all-in-one phishing and training analytics. And then you have admin actions to mark courses as complete if you need to. You can see things that have been completed. And then you can also sort this instead of user view to be clicks view. And so clicks view will sort just every click that has occurred, and you can see all the relevant information about it, the click time, the IP address, what template, the user, what campaign that came from, just all the relevant information that you might need to know for any of the clicks that occurred.